In this video, I'm going to share with you what happened when we added 30 new products to our Etsy shop in 30 days. I'm going to share with you how we did it, why we did it, and should we keep doing it? I think you're going to be pretty surprised. And I think after you watch this, you'll have a really good understanding as to what the impact can be. And also, if you're struggling with, I don't know how I would release that many products that quickly. Well, I'm going to answer all of that in this video, so stick around. Now, before we dig into the nitty gritty, let me just share with you why we even decided to do this. Well, number one, we have found, and we've heard from other sellers, that when you release and launch new products on Etsy, Etsy really likes that. And they also will give that product a little bit more exposure in the very beginning. Now, we wanted to see for ourselves also, does Etsy really reward new listings? And I kind of think that they do because, well, I'll share with you here in a second that we had brand new listings that got found very quickly and made sales. So yes, I do believe that Etsy does reward new listings. Now, the second reason we wanted to do this is because we wanted more opportunities for people to find our shop. And how do you do that? You create more products, which also creates more digital or Etsy real estate. It gives people more chances to find us because we have more products out there. It makes sense. And the third reason is if we have more products and people visit our shop, there's more opportunity for them to buy more, to increase the value of the cart. And we have seen this firsthand. It works. People are not just buying one thing from us, they're buying two or three. And that's really what we're looking for. So that's another reason why we want to add more products. Plus, it's also heading into Q4, depending on when you're watching this, and we want to add more products around this time of year because we want to make more sales in Q4 because that's the biggest buying season of the year. Now, if you're wondering, how do you create more products or create products that fast? Well, hold tight. I'm going to share that tip with you here at the end of the video, so hang in there. But before we do that, let's go ahead and look at what the data is saying. So this is the last 30 days. $4,000 in revenue, all right, 128 orders. But here's the interesting thing I want you to pay attention to. This here, okay, this is our visits have increased 369% compared to the same time period last year. Check this out. Orders have increased 288% compared to the same time last year. And then let's look at the revenue. Revenue increased 261% compared to the same time period last year. Now, let me just let you guys know, if you didn't watch my very first video about this series, this is my wife's Etsy shop. She was doing it as a side hustle, and now we are focusing on growing this to a six-figure brand and beyond, hopefully. But this here is perfect example of something that was working, but now by adding more products, adding more focus to this brand, you can see that everything is on the rise. Now, this is where it gets interesting. This right here, 26 orders, that is one of the products that we launched in the last 30 days. This one here, 15 sales. Again, another new product in the last 30 days. Okay, this one here was an old product. This one here was a new product, 7 sales. Another new product, 7 sales. This one here, 5 sales, that's a new product. This one here, that's an old product. This one here, new. Another new one, new. So I can see here clearly that we are making more sales, and these were just released within the last 30 days. And I believe moving forward, these are also going to do very well in Q4. So the point I really want to make here, and from this 30-day, 30-product release little challenge that we gave ourselves, it's definitely working. Because the more products that we have in our shop, the more opportunity we are to be found in search. And also when people visit our shop, they have more opportunity to buy. And the other cool thing that we were showing up for was buy together and get free shipping. So when we have another item there that's related to the first one, guess what? They're going to help and they're going to promote us to try to increase the value of that cart, which is another great big benefit. So like I promised, I'm going to share with you a little product creation hack. A lot of times people think that they have to create a whole bunch of different designs in order to create more products. Because we're using print on demand, we can create a design and then we can put it on multiple products. Well, there, my friends, is the hack. That is where you can leverage whatever print on demand service you're using, you can leverage their catalog. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So here is Printify. Printify allows us to take our design, if it works. Obviously you have to make sure that it prints well, that it looks well, that it's formatted right, and all of those things. But in most cases, you're going to be able to find a handful of items that same design can work for. And that is how you can take that one design and create 3 new product listings or more. So if we're looking at this right here, I can go into the catalog and I can go through all of the different categories of things that are selling, or I can just go here, holiday picks. So Printify is great because it gives you ideas, but it also allows you to take that same design and put it on multiple products. And then all you need to do now is create the product listings on Etsy and you're live. All right. So yes, there is some work that needs to be done to put these listings up and to create the listing inside of Printify so it can be manufactured and can be shipped. Yes, but you don't have to worry about creating brand new designs every single time. And this is exactly what we have done to allow us to do 30 new products in 30 days and sometimes more. But in the last 30, that's what we did. And you saw the results. When you add more products, you increase the chances of you making more sales within your Etsy shop, but also for new people finding your Etsy shop. So I hope right now that was a light bulb moment for you where you're like, okay, I can launch 30 new products in 30 days because you can. So that's how you can create multiple products very, very quickly and get that inventory built up in your store. So listen, if you've enjoyed this video, do me a favor, smash the like button, leave a comment. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll answer it down there. And if you did enjoy this video, you're probably going to enjoy this video right here, where I go through the product creation hack where we were able to find a product and then launch it and then sell it within 24 hours. Check it out. I'll link it up right there. Once again, guys, thanks so much for watching. I really enjoyed making this for you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.